In this video, I'll show you my 10 must-have Figma plugins that will drastically speed up your workflow and take your designs to the next level. First up, we have a plugin that's gonna blow your mind, HTML to design. Imagine being able to take any website and instantly convert it into a fully editable Figma design. No more manual tracing or screenshot recreations. With just a few clicks, you can grab the entire structure, layout, and elements of any website. It's perfect for competitive analysis, inspiration, or quickly prototyping based on existing designs. Designers, say goodbye to tedious manual recreations. Next up is the Icons 8 background remover. If you don't have access to Figma's AI tools, this plugin is your go-to solution for removing image backgrounds. Simply select your image and hit remove background and your image will be ready. Speaking of visual polish, let's talk about adding some depth to our designs. The next plugin on our list is Beautiful Shadows. This plugin helps you create smooth, realistic shadows that add depth and dimension to your UI elements. Before we continue with our plugin list, I want to share a bonus tool that's not actually a Figma plugin, but something even more powerful for designers, Bolt. Remember that first plugin we discussed, HTML to design? It lets you convert websites into Figma designs. Well, Bolt does the exact opposite, and that's where the real magic happens. Bolt lets you take your Figma designs and instantly turn them into fully functional websites and apps without writing a single line of code. And the process couldn't be simpler. To turn any frame into an app or website, you just select the frame in Figma, add bolt.new to the URL, and it automatically generates all the code needed to create a working website or app that looks exactly like your design. No complicated export process, no setup, just a simple URL change, and Bolt handles the rest. It's literally that easy. You can even make live changes after importing your design. Just describe what you want to modify in plain English and it will update instantly in real time. Oh, and get this, if you've used auto layout in Figma, your app or website magically becomes responsive. That's right. Bolt translates those auto layout settings into responsive code so your designs look perfect on any device. If you want to check it out, just head over to bolt.new. They have a free plan that lets you get started right away. Thank you Bolt for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to our Figma plugins. Sometimes great design needs great imagery. That's where our next plugin comes in. Pexels. Pexels is a game changer for designers who need high quality free imagery. With millions of photos contributed by over 100,000 photographers worldwide, you can find the perfect image for any project. And the best part, they are completely free for both personal and commercial use. Now let's add some color and style to our designs. Say hello to Mesh Gradient. This plugin takes gradients to a whole new level. It lets you create stunning and complex 2D mesh gradients that add sophistication and depth to your backgrounds, illustrations, and UI elements. Next up is Autoflow. User flows are crucial, and Autoflow makes creating them a breeze. You can visualize user journeys by easily connecting screens and frames. Whether you're mapping out a mobile app, website, or complex system, this plugin automates the process of creating clear and comprehensive user flow diagrams. Next, we have Vectorized Bitmap. It's like magic for image conversion. It lets you turn any raster image into a crisp, scalable vector drawing. With support for transparency and multiple colors, this plugin is perfect for logo redesigns, icon creation, or breathing new life into existing graphics. No more pixelation or quality loss. Next up is Stark. Stark isn't just a plugin. It's a comprehensive accessibility toolkit. From contrast checking and color suggestions to vision simulation and touch target analysis, Stark ensures your designs are inclusive and user-friendly. Next, we have Mockup Studio. Mockup Studio takes your design from flat to fantastic. It lets you create stunning mockups directly in Figma with a wide variety of templates and customization options. Last but definitely not least, the Tailwind CSS color generator. If you always find it difficult to create a color palette for your projects, this plugin is for you. It generates entire color scales from a single hex color code. But that's not all. It creates color variables and color styles as well, so you don't need to manually create them anymore. If you want to discover the top AI tools that can 10x your design workflow, make sure to check out this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more design tutorials. Have a beautiful day and see you soon.